Alright, if you want to go to UPenn, University of Pennsylvania, this video is for you. I'm going to go over everything that they're looking for when you apply to this school. Alright, so starting with academics. So the rankings go from not considered up until very important. And they put rigor, which is the difficulty of your high school classes, as very important. Class rank is important. GPA is very important, and SAT or ACT are considered, and it is required to submit. Essay is very important, and recommendations are very important. Now, I want to point out that it says SAT, ACT is considered, but we'll take a look at what that score actually is. All right, interviews not considered. Extracurricular activities are important, so is talent and ability. Character and personal qualities very important. Volunteer work is important. Work experience is important, and the level of interest in attending the school is not considered. All right, so while they say SAT scores are only considered, they actually have very high SAT scores from the students who were admitted. So you see 96% of the students had between 700 and 800 on the reading and writing, and 4% had between 600 and 700. For math, it seems even more competitive. 98% of students had between 700 and 800, and 2% had between 600 and 700. A key fact to look at is that the median score of the students who were accepted that submitted SAT scores was a 1550. So that means half the kids who were accepted and submitted SAT scores instead of ACT had a 1550 or higher. So that's the number I would look at. And then as far as GPA, 59% of the students had a 4.0 or higher. 21% had 3.75 to 3.99, 5% 3.5 to 3.74, and 5% 3.25 to 3.49. So if you want to go to UPenn, you probably need a score around a 1550 and a 4.0 or close to a 4.0 to get accepted. All right, hopefully you found that useful, and if there's a college you want me to do next, just let me know in the comments.